Most traders lose money in trading because of poor preparation. When I started, I was losing until I started to do these things. Before the market opens, I need to journal everything down, prepare myself for the week. Okay, so the currency pair that I'll be trading for the week, I need to journal everything down, what I'm expecting to see before I take the trade. Okay, I'll analyze the pair and know every area that I will buy and every area that I will sell. In this case, I know I am fully prepared. I am not rushing. Okay, most beginner traders enter the market, they do anything they want to do. If you want to increase your win rates, you need to prepare. There's a saying that the one who sweats more in practice bleed less in war. Okay, so if you prepare more, you'll be perfect and you'll be comfortable. Anytime you see a setup, you'll be comfortable to take that trade. Okay, so this is me trying to see the setup that I'll be looking out for to take when the market opens. The big screen. Okay, so the big screen, this is on the DXY because I trade the major pairs, and always you need to know where the dollar index is going before you trade the GBP USD, Euro USD, USD chef, and also the pairs that the dollar is attached to. All right, so you can see on the DXY, we had the DXY created this button right here, created another button right here. Okay, so we had multiple buttons created, and we had this break of structure at this top here. Okay, we have this break of structure at the top here. So let me show you guys. We have this break of structure at the top here. All right, so this is a break of structure at the top. So we're expecting it to come here and then push to the upside. Okay, this is actually like a support also. And when you look to this place, we had this inverted head and shoulder. This is on the weekly time frame. Okay, so next week, that is today, Sunday, market is open. Check the time, it's exactly 10. It's 9 p.m. All right, so that is 16th, and market is open. I'm expecting this price to come to retest on this zone. All right, so we're expecting this head and shoulder to complete. So this week, that is from Monday going, dollar index will be dropping. Okay, it has to sell to this downside before the push. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see the analysis better. Sorry. So in daily time frame 2, we had this. Now you can see the clear head and shoulder. This is the head, shoulder. So it has to come and complete. Okay, so we're expecting sell on the DXY. Okay, so if you sell on DXY, then GBP USD2 on the small screen, this one is shaking. I don't know why the small screen is shaking. So all right, so now on the Euro USD2, the same thing. We see Euro USD dropping to the downside. Okay, dropping on the weekly time frame. That is in the weekly time frame. We see GBP Euro USD push, second push, and now we are expecting. We had you can see it wasn't a retest. Okay, it didn't touch, so we're expecting a third push, and that one too form inverted head and shoulder. You can see this one is negatively correlated to the dollar index. So if the dollar index is dropping, then this one should be rising before it gets here, then drop. Okay, and this one too should be dropping before it gets here, then buy. So now we're expecting, you see this one to form inverted head and shoulder right here. We have price pushing from there, breaking structure right here, changing character. So here too, it's supposed to be change of character, not break of structure. It's supposed to be change of character. Let me change it right here. Change character. Okay, so here to change of character, right? Here. So here to change of character. Okay, so I'm expecting it to push up, retest here, and then before it drop on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, that is what I'm expecting, for it to get here and then drop. Okay, so now let's go to the big screen, and on the big screen, that is where we'll be doing the analysis, everything, because the small screen is shaking. So let's go to GBP USD. On here to GBP USD to. All right, you guys can see GBP USD2 was in a downtrend right here, and now we're having this higher high, higher low, higher high. We're expecting a higher low, then push. All right, cool. We're expecting a higher low, then we are expecting a higher low, then push. Okay, you can see this is also negatively correlated to the dollar index. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, the same thing is happening right there. Okay, so we're expecting a push to the downside somewhere around this zone. Then we buy to the upside. Okay, so coming next week, that's what I'm expecting, a buy to the upside. Okay, so that is it on this one. So let's go to USD chef. So that is what I do, before I trade it. You need to know the direction of the market before you can trade it perfectly. So USD chef 2, I caught this sell right here to the downside. Now I'm expecting it to push from here to the downside, and if there's a break and retest, then I'll look to sell it more. Okay, let's go to USD card. USD card 2. All right, so this is USD card also, and let's go to the monthly time frame so that you can see the flow of the market. On the monthly, we had this first touch, second touch, we have a third touch right here. Okay, this one is also correlated to the dollar, and we are expecting a sell on the dollar index, so we should be expecting a sell right here. Okay, so on the daily too, we had this high, we have a low. Okay, so we are expecting price to push from here to come and complete the move right here. Okay, so we're expecting this move to come and complete, but you can see it is actually pushing a little to the outside, so we are not taking this trade. This is just a midnight forecast. Okay, so if it goes there, then tomorrow landing New York section we trade. Okay, you can see we have this double bottom right here. That is first top, second top, and this is the bottom. Okay, we had this first top, second top, and something like inverted head, something like a head and shoulder. So we had the shoulder here. We are expecting a push to this place to form another shoulder, then a sell from there to the downside. So you're gonna be something like this, okay, so you're gonna see price pushing from here to that side like this, then retest, then down to the downside. So entry will be somewhere around here to the downside. Then all right, so that is what we are expecting on USD card. All right, so that is how I analyze the market to know the direction of price anytime I want to trade it, so that when market start for Monday, that is when the activities are in the market. That is, I know what I'm doing, I know what to do, or I know what I'm looking out for. So let's go to Forex Factory and see whether there's news. You got to go to this place and see whether there's news activity. So Forex Factory. So right now, today is Sunday, and you can see there's no news. So Monday is here. That is here Monday, and on Monday we have on the 12 a.m. no news. We had this 12:30 p.m. we had this core retail sale. Okay, we have 12 p.m. that is on Monday. That's 17th March. We have this retail sales, that is news right there. That's 12 p.m. okay, so that is alright. So guys, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any question, and I will see you guys in my next video.